everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is project employees. We have a project table with project ID and employee ID, and we have an employee table with employee ID, name, and experience years. We need to find the average experience years of all the employees for each project. For example, we have 3 employees working on one project. We look at the experience years of these 3 employees and calculate the average. For the second project, we have 2 employees working on. We calculate the average again of these 2 employees, and therefore we return 2 rows with average years. Let's solve this in SQL. First, we write the keyword select. Then we join 2 tables. First table is a project table. We will call it as P. And the second table is employee table, which we will call it as E. We always have to indicate on which column we join these 2 tables. A common column in both tables is an employee ID. So we join both tables on employee ID. Now we group by project ID. Our output has to have 2 columns, project ID, which we will have to write it here, and the average of experience years. So first we write experience years. We cast this column as decimal. We need 2 decimals. Now we calculate the average and we round the number to 2 decimals. We call this average years. Now let's run it. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we merge the project table with the employee table. We also indicate on which common column we are going to merge these 2 tables. And all this we are going to save in the merged dataset. Now we take this dataset and we group by project ID. We take the experience years and calculate the mean. In the end, we reset index. This dataset we will call average experience. Now we round the experience years to 2 decimal places. And in the end, we have to rename the column we will call this result. And now we are ready to return the result. Let's run this. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL, GroupBy, and average, or the Pandas merge and mean? Let me know in the comments.